everyone, welcome to this new video. So today is the very last day in this house. We're no longer sleeping here, starting in like a few hours. I'm just waiting for Sean to get here with his mom's car. He finished work, went all the way to Yongin, picked up his mom's car, and is on his way back right now. So I've been home all day just doing last minute packing and cleaning. I didn't have to clean up too much because usually the new people come and clean their place, or they like hire someone to clean, so I didn't have to do too much cleaning, but I did want to just like, you know, just sweep and like clean up the washroom a little bit. So yes, I will just show you what the house looks like now compared to yesterday, because it was a mess yesterday. So let's go. So I got the mess off the floor here and I sweeped in here. I took everything down from the window and the wall. I think me and Sean have to throw these out, but I'm just waiting for him to tell me what to do with those. I filled up this bag. I moved everything from here. Oh, I still have to pack those. Oopsies. But if you come out here, nothing in here. Oh, except for this thing. I just have to pack up. We have to, oh my god, so story time. We signed like a 3-year contract. Oh my god. So we signed a 3-year contract for the internet/TV, and we kind of had an ad online to see if anyone wanted to take it over, but obviously nobody wants to. I can't actually cancel until 9 months later, or we have to have had this for 9 months in order to cancel. So we just have to pay like $30 every month until then, which, I mean, my fault, so I will do that. But yes, I moved the bed over there, so it's easy for me and Sean to just take it out. Yeah, nobody wants to take it. Kind of sad. It's really hard though, so I mean, it's for the best. Just have my stuff here. We have to throw this stuff out. I don't know how to throw it out in the recycling area. No idea. Yeah, I don't know if like Sean needs this stuff, so just waiting for him. Nothing up there anymore. And then the kitchen area. So these 2 boxes we are taking, and then this is stuff we have to throw away. Just have that. I just have the garbage can here so I don't forget. There's nothing in the cupboards anymore. Yeah, it's just garbage bags for the next people because they can use them. You can't use them in any other neighborhood, just so you know. Oh yeah, I just have to put that in the other bags and stuff. Don't know if Sean wants to keep the sesame oil or what. I think we have to throw this pan out. I'm not sure. That thing too. I don't know what to do with metal here. And yeah, nothing up there anymore. Oh, yeah, this is just like cleaning stuff. Like they can obviously use, so we're just gonna keep them here. Like, yeah, more garbage bags that you can only use in this neighborhood. Come over here. Yeah, if you come over here, this is all the stuff we're gonna try to put in Sean's car. No idea if he wants to keep this picture frame or if I should just take the pictures out, so we'll see when he gets here. Shoes, bottles of water, the cups, all the kitchen stuff and cleaning stuff, umbrellas, like, yeah. So all the stuff is gonna go in there. This mattress thing that we were using when we first moved here, I think we're gonna take it just for extra padding at his mom's because we have to sleep on the floor. She does have other like floor padding stuff, but yeah, I think Sean wants to take this one as well. Hangers, don't really know if we need those at his mom's place. And then 2 suitcases that we've been using here, and my winter jacket. Nespresso capsules I forgot to return, so I have to take it and then, yeah, find the nearest Nespresso over there. And this garbage can, might have to recycle this garbage can. I don't think we need one there. Oh yeah, I have that blue one that I think we will use in the room. Gonna donate those Nikes, and then yeah, those are the shoes we're gonna wear tonight. Oh, and then yeah, gotta take that when we leave. Oh, and my toothbrush, yes, I forgot that. But yeah, everything's out from there. Everything's out from the medicine cabinet thing. Yeah, this is quite strange, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I kind of have a headache. I didn't really eat lunch. Like I did, but I didn't. I tried to go to one of mine and Sean's favorite places to eat, but it was so busy for lunch. So I ended up going to Kimbap Cheonggu because it was like close by, and wanted a chicken mayo, and it was so freaking salty, and oh, it was just terrible. So I didn't even eat half of it. I went to Patty Baguette, got some bread, and that's really all I had today, so I'm starving right now. I am famished. Sean came. And the first thing he said are, "Where are my knives?" And I totally forgot about them. Sorry, Nampia. Okay guys, the final walkthrough of our house. Here's the empty house tour. I think I might cry. I'm so sad. Goodbye, house. You were good, but you were expensive. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay. Okay, bye for real. We got everything in this car somehow. Okay. Goodbye, Kuro Digital Danji.